السلام عليكم.
Welcome to part 12 of our Arabic learning series, where we are exploring transportation vocabulary. The first word is
سيارة.
which means car. Next is
حافلة.
meaning bus. The next word is
قطار.
which means train. After that comes
طائرة.
meaning airplane. Next is
دراجة.
which means bicycle. The next word is
سفينة.
meaning ship. After that comes
تاكسي أو سيارة أجرة.
meaning taxi. Next is
دراجة نارية.
which means motorcycle. The next word is
شاحنة.
meaning truck. After that comes
قارب.
meaning boat. And the last word is
مترو.
which means subway or metro. Practice these transportation words by naming the vehicles you see on the street in Arabic. This will help you remember them quickly. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these transportation words and you'll master them in no time. Next up, Arabic Learning Series, Part 13, Vegetables and Fruits. Wishing you continued success on your Arabic journey. Goodbye and peace be with you. See you in the next lesson.